Planong ipatawag ng mga House Prosecutor bilang hostile witness si Vice President Sara Duterte. Hiniling din nilang masubpina sina OVP Chief of Staff Zuleika Lopez at NBI Director Melvin Matibag bilang kanilang testigo. Nakatutok si Tina Panganiban Perez.
We have seen an
Isa sa mga balak ng House Prosecutors na ipatawag bilang hostile witness, walang iba kundi si Vice President Sara Duterte. Namataan ng bise sa Senado para makipagpulong lang sa kanyang defense team, kaya binanggit ito ng prosekusyon.
one of the key witnesses, hostile, albeit hostile, would be the Vice President. And therefore, if we can inquire if it is her intention to again appear in the premises of the Senate, because we are already respectfully informing this honorable court that we will manifest, that we will have a written request for her presence in connection with this article on grave threats.
Hindi agad nagbigay ng ruling si Senate Impeachment Court Presiding Officer Senator Chis Escudero. Hihintayin daw niyang maghain ng mosyon ang prosekusyon.
The impeachment rules do not mandate nor require the respondent to attend any hearing or trial of the impeachment court. Whether she was in the building earlier or arrived after, it is totally up to the respondent because from the point of view of the court, she is represented in this court through her counsel already. Should the counsel for the prosecutors desire to call the respondent herself, the court will act on that motion and request once it is made and or filed and need not make a ruling at this point in time.
Balak din ng House Prosecution Panel na ipresenta bilang witnesses sa susunod na linggo sina Attorney Zuleika Lopez, Chief of Staff ng Office of the Vice President, at Attorney Melvin Matibag, Director ng National Bureau of Investigation. Nagsumite na ang prosekusyon ng request for issuance of subpoenas sa Senate Impeachment Court. Balak ng prosekusyon na ipresenta sina Lopez at Matibag sa Senate Impeachment Court para sa Article of Impeachment tungkol sa banta ni Vice President Duterte kina Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, First Lady Liza Marcos at dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Tina Panganiban Perez, nakatutok, 24 oras.